or the rock out in 1911 or the rock out in you hear me? Yeah, we rock out and gang over here, you hear me? Bars and Taurus gang. You already know all the real ones, we the best, you hear me? Bar, you hear me? Yeah. We ain't playing no game. I think I probably still got a picture of that bad boy too. I don't know. I have to delete something. Let me see. Probably did. Bars. Say that pop out. Pop out. Yes, sir. Appreciate everybody. Yeah, let me see. Do I got it? Nope. Let me see. Oh, there you go. Well, now this that X Pro I was talking about. This the one I gotta give me a red dot for. Bars. Yeah, this the one right here. I gotta give me a red dot for this one. Yes, sir. That's the one I gotta get a red dot for that bad boy. Let's go. What's up with it, CB? Bars. You already know we the best. Yeah, and you see I already got the place for that bad boy and everything. Yeah, man. This baby is nice. No cap, man. Yeah, that's my baby. That's my baby. And then like I said, this one for a red dot. And then, like I said, the Ross Martin. That one I gotta get a red dot for too. It's stupid. Come on. There you go. Yeah, then this bad boy right here. That Ross Martin. Yeah, it is. We ain't playing no game. But with the fake. In the job, but I never shout. Where I'm going, never doubt. Pour it out like a spout. I never announce where I'ma go. Close to home where I know that I'm known. I'm never gonna stop trying to jack my flow. I'm the hottest and I already know. We never fell out about no hoe. Cut a couple off, they ain't want no dough. When I try fast, she tend to go slow. High life, you living yours on the road. Go fast, little mama go slow. Ain't trying to stop, we'll move your flow. There we go. That's that Ross Martin. That's one I need. This one right here, I need another red dot for this bad boy too. Giddy bars. You already know. Oh yeah, where CB? Get to a 10 to get to a 4. Oh, I had to let him reload. Bars, make that money, make that money. Oh, appreciate you tapping in, my bro. Everybody show love to CB. No cow, we the best YouTube family. Like a shark or like a dart, interrogated by the narcs. As a youngin' with a heart, let's go. Tried to keep me in and out. Felt like I was in a drought, but I never shout. Where I'm going, never doubt. Pour it out like a spout. I never announce when you about to send them out. Then you might get slouched before you spin out. And my heart without a doubt, I know it's wrong. I got there go my big boy. Me down. Bars. Rounds, you will be found. Hey, there go my bro. There go my bro. Bars.
That's
What's
sweet.
up? Bro.
That's my